Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this door handle. Pretty much the same procedure on most doors, the fronts at least. 2010 Outback, 10 to 14, same. Actually, like a lot of the Subarus are all the same, but I'm gonna show you this specific one. It's very easy. Doesn't require removing door panel or nothing. I mean, it's very simple. You gotta get just this black little clip right here. Just get the flathead clip remover. Just remove this guy. There's a T30. If you guys have roof racks, should be in your trunk. It's a T30 Torx head. You literally just stick it in here on that. I can't bend my neck down until look. Ow! T30 just. Don't worry about the bolt, it won't fall out, but it will loosen the and then you just pull on it. Sometimes it's only release, or take your clip remover and just slowly put some tension on it. Voila. Didn't get damaged. Once this guy's off, this door handle, slide out. That's it. Slides out. Going back in. You gotta get past this little groove thingy right here. The little hand thing that actually pulls needs to slide behind this guy. That's what the issue is. To get behind that before this thing slides back in. You could take your little screwdriver and push it to get around it. Or a pick of some sort. But it shouldn't be that hard to go around it is the problem. You see this little lever right here? That's what needs to sit behind here so you can pull on it. And usually it slides in. But on the Outbacks, it shouldn't be that hard. But you gotta get that clip behind it so it just pulls it. Not hard at all. I'm putting this guy back on it. Just that's it. Now we'll go to the driver's side. Show you guys how to do the driver's side belt molding, and then we'll work on the stereo equipment and stuff like that.